Use permanent hair color as well as lightener or bleach. I, like many people, grew up in the beauty industry using lightener and bleach only to create light pieces inside of the hair. It wasn't until maybe my second or third year in the business that I got really introduced to permanent color and how differently it reacted, how much different of a process it could be. And in particular, I was a lot slower at the beginning. So the idea of having 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes in order to create hair color really gave me a lot more time. That really opened up this whole world of permanent color, realizing the major difference. Now, I love lightener. I love bleach, and it definitely has its place, but I encourage all of my students on the Tribe membership, anytime I'm teaching, certainly my team in the past, working inside of my salon, to really embrace permanent color and realize that both processes leaves the hair permanently colored, but permanent color is inside of tube color that involves developer. That's a longer process than the kind of quick, fast nature of lightener or bleach. And it gives you such a variety of different shade choices. Oftentimes when we're lightening, it's just creating light pieces or raising up the natural pigment. Versus with permanent color, you can go in and create copper pieces and chocolate pieces and blonde pieces and pale pieces and warm. You can create a lot more variety and multiple dimensions inside of the hair. So when you're creating your next highlighted service on your client or on yourself, consider permanent color as well as lightener and bleach. When you're start in the hairline and leave about a quarter inch, half inch, sometimes up to an inch out in the hairline. This is going to give you a lot more strength in the hairline. Oftentimes when we take lightener and we put it right on the hairline, we know that around the hairline, in the temple, in the nape area, it's a lot thinner on the client most times, many times. It's just a lot more denser inside the crown, in the interior, around the parietal ridge. So around the hairline, I love starting there to give yourself an anchor, but leave a little of the spacing out and put the highlights a little bit further back, especially with longer hair. Longer hair, when you actually highlight it, it's going to cover much of the hairline. As well as when the client pulls it back, you're going to see less of this kind of grow out or the need for a retouch because this now covers it, right? So you can make a thin layer that now lays on top and kind of hides that grow out process that will eventually happen with the lightened pieces that are done in foils. But now, instead of this stark difference on the hairline, it's kind of protected because we've left that out, not only for strength, but to also camouflage as it grows out. Use diagonal placement, diagonal foil placement when you're actually placing it in. So when it comes to diagonal placements or just positioning period, when I really began to understand that with hair cutting and certainly with hair color, it changed everything on how my color looked in my final look for my client. As it related to things that were horizontal, I came in thinking horizontal or vertical only, not understanding that diagonal placement gave more dimension, gave more variation, and showed movement to complement the hairstyle, to complement the haircut, to complement the face shape and the roundness of the client's head. So consider diagonal placement in for different movement looks, especially if you're doing things like bobs and longer layers and face framing. Diagonal placements can be a game changer. So consider changing your base from just horizontal or just vertical only or just on the hairline to these diagonal placements in different part of the hair and watch the difference in how it looks in the finished look. If you're a professional out there, if you're a cosmetology student, if you're someone inside of a salon suite, if you're looking to really enhance your hair color game, your blowout game, your hair cutting game, and your business as a whole, check out the Tribe membership. It's our online academy for professional hairdressers and those that are entering the business that are in cosmetology school or an apprentice situations. It's designed to be all access, instant education that you can have at your fingertips. For years, we were going to education. Now the education can come to you on any digital device in any city, any state, or any country in the world. Anytime access, 3 in the afternoon or 3 a.m. at nighttime. You can learn, recreate, and make money.